friends, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Today is day 3 of drawing a beautiful pen shading of a girl dancing. And ये series बहुत लंबा होने वाला है. You can see I have already drawn the face and left hand and now I'm moving towards the hair. And in this series I shall be uploading videos daily. जितना draw करूँगी उतना upload करते जाऊँगी. Well, I'm putting a little bit more pressure for shading the hair because it is dark in the reference image. Link to the reference image is given in description box. For those who are directly watching these videos, I would suggest them to watch the outline video first and you should also watch the previous videos. After that, you come to this video and proceed. I button a link gulo dewa ache. In this portion, we are having some highlights. So, I'm shading from lighter to darker tones in layers and gradually I'm adding details. क्योंकि details से ही तो realism आती है. You can see how I'm shading and adding details. बहुत धीरे धीरे draw करना है as you cannot correct any mistake while shading with pen. So you have to draw with patience. बिल्कुल भी जल्दबाजी नहीं करना है. जितना टाइम लगे उतना टाइम देना है आपको. एंड খুবই ভালো করে অবজার্ভ করে প্রত্যেকটা ছোট ছোট ডিটেইল অ্যাড করতে লাগবে. Now I'm creating the thin hair strands in details so that it looks more realistic. Observe this and create on your own. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. And if you really found my video helpful, please like and share the video and comment your thoughts. Well, the results are in front of you. See you in the next video. Bye.